This is a pretty good drill. We just start off from the holster. When the buzzer will draw, fire 1 round. Reholster, draw, fire 2 rounds. 3 rounds, 4 rounds, 5 rounds. We're going to work all the way up to 10 rounds. We're going to be shooting on an IDPA style target from 5 meters. Should be able to keep all those rounds in a nice controlled group, at least in the center mass. So we'll start off with 1 round from the holster, less than 3 seconds. Nice and easy with a 1.75. Next we're just going to pick it up, 2 rounds. That's a 214. First shot at 168. So see, totally taking our time, not rushing it, nice and accurate center mass. 3 rounds. Actually the same time as 2 rounds, 2.17. First shot it was at 156. So still nice and smooth. Plenty of time. So 1.98. First round's at a 129. 5 rounds. .10. First round's as a 1.23. Still not really rushing it. This is nice and smooth. All of them are still pretty tight. Had one little low one there. But for the most part, a still decent group. 6 rounds. That's a 224. First round is a 118. 7 rounds. .231 for the first shot at 109. Bump it on up to 8 rounds. .43. First shot was at 1.08. Ten rounds, less than 2.75 seconds. Yeah, it's a 273.